Hey guys, how you all doing? Today I just wanted to make a quick video on the real job of a woman in this world. So what is the job of women in this world? And I think it is a very critical equation that we need to solve because the world we know is completely upside down, and where do the women fit in this world? Because we know the entire world, the darkness is trying to suppress the true nature of women. So what is the true nature of women is the question that today we will try to answer. We are also aware that the Gaia, the Mother Earth, the feminine principle of women is totally destroyed in this world. But why the darkness is totally after our womankind? Why it does not want women to evolve? Why so much suppression and so much abuse against women in this world, guys? I have already discussed why women should never cook and enter the kitchen ever, because kitchen is a satanic instrument to destroy the health of your family. We have already gone through this video and discussed about the role of mitochondrial DNA and how it's important that you have fiber and fat in your diet, which is destroyed 90% by cooking food. Because if you have more fiber rich food, you get more butyric acid, which is the key to opening your mitochondrial DNA. So kitchen was created, or rather invented, in the head of a human, in the head of a human being. It's not a natural process, a dark evil entity. I have already discussed this, Shukracharya. So he came up ways to make sure that humanity never evolves, and kitchen is the central key to it, guys. So try to eat as much as vegetables, as much as raw vegetables. That is the only food as a human being you should eat, and all the issues that are faced at this moment can be eradicated if a house does not have a kitchen. So I wanted to extend this. So if a woman don't spend much time in kitchen, then what is she supposed to do? So we have already discussed why cooking food is the biggest conspiracy of all, because basically it destroys all the fiber in your diet. Fiber and fat is very important, guys, but you can go through and watch this video, why you need butyric acid in your life, and why alkaline versus acidity is a scam, etc., etc. So what is the role of women in this society? Is it to sit in an office desk and add to the additional income of your family, or is it that she achieves her dream of becoming a doctor or a nurse or a pilot and fulfill her parents' age old dream of making a woman, making her daughter something very important and get respect in the society, and make her feel that men and women are equal? Is this the real role of women in this world, or is this the new role in town we are seeing pushed on earth women, called feminism? So is our women supposed to be feminist, and is this the greatest role a woman on earth can play to evolve our entire human race? So is feminism the answer to all world's problem? Because they should answer it, because women are the most suppressed in this world. So why they are pushing feminist agenda? Will feminist agenda solve even men's problem? So we can easily see where they are taking our earth women. Or is the role of women in this world to just cook 24 by 7, become a house bomb? Is this the job of women in this world? You can ask your husband, your boyfriend, or a male friend what women they truly would like to have in their life. To go through, to cut the story short, you can just ask, because women by nature are caring and sharing, and they want to build a family. they have a protective nature. So you can ask your boyfriend or your friend what kind of women they prefer, and you can just show them these pictures. Do he prefers you to become a feminist, or does he want you to have an incredible body strength? I have already discussed this. We are seeking purity, not strength. So you can show these pictures of a feminist woman, or a bodybuilding healthy strength woman, or a beautiful woman, or an angelic woman, guys. You can show these pictures to your boyfriend or your husband, and what he thinks you should become if you are a woman. And most would choose either a beautiful woman or an angelic woman. But this can also be taken out very easily when you tell him that beauty like this would be with him forever. Then immediately he will choose an angelic woman if the deal is that he will be with you forever and ever. So beauty is only skin deep, deep inside men programming. It is there. So men would not choose a beautiful woman forever. It may be a temporary solution or excitement or a way of life, but if you tell him that you have only one type of woman to choose forever and ever, for eternity, he will choose angelic woman, a pure woman. And we can easily see why many men would deny, and they will say that I prefer a beautiful and talented woman. I have already discussed this. The role of women is not beauty and talent, it's purity. And we can see why men crave pure women, not feminist women, not healthy women, or not beautiful women, by the practical live examples we have on planet Earth. And they say it is an third world, like Islamic, Middle Eastern thingy, and the most progressive places in the Western world prefer a virgin woman, and they are willing to pay millions of dollars for it. Why is this, guys? I want to ask why. Student who put up her virginity up for sale online claims to have accepted a final offer of 1.4 million from Hollywood actor. You will never get this much amount, certainly if you are a feminist. So feminists should ask why they are not being auctioned off, why men do not prefer and willing to give millions to get the company of a feminist woman, or even a healthy woman, or even a beautiful woman. In some case, men are willing to pay, like, to be in company and get married to a beauty pageant, etc. But this is a ridiculous sum. I don't think a man is willing to pay for a beautiful woman. 1.4 million dollars. I have already covered this. Why men are willing to pay ridiculous amount for a virgin girl, guys, and why he does not want the friendship of a virgin woman, why he wants that access to her body for $3 million. Men are same all over the world. It doesn't matter if you are a Middle Eastern businessman or if you are a Hollywood star. They are willing to pay millions of dollars for a woman's virginity, aka her purity. Why, guys? Model 19 claims to have sold her virginity for nearly 3 million to an Abu Dhabi businessman through an escort website, and says the second highest bidder was a Hollywood actor. But we also know that this most of these stories of 3 million and 2 million was a propaganda stunt as well. So we are very well aware that some of these stories are not true, just to sell their website and products, etc. But this thing is there for sure, no denying. They have thousands of comments. But why men are after a virgin woman, and why he does not want a friendship with a virgin woman? He want access to her body. So these are the questions that a woman needs to think over, and this is what I feel the real job of women is, because entire human race is seeking purity, guys. We are not seeking strength. The universe is entirely different than what they taught us. This is very, very important for us to understand because the universe is built on pure consciousness, guys. The universe is not built on atoms and molecules and quantum particles, etc., etc. Bull they throw on humanity from scientific academia. Please understand this. There is God, and he is the purest being you will ever meet, and his consciousness is breathing through everything. I have already said it, matter is alive, everything is alive, guys. You should show respect to everything. There is no such thing as dead matter. From your trees to your stone, to your table, to your chair, to your laptop, everything is alive. It is not because of atoms and molecules. It is because of pure consciousness built it. There is actually no such thing as matter and stones and sands. It is pure consciousness. The entire universe is pure consciousness of God, guys. So this is what men are after, that purity, that alive. When you feel in presence of a virgin woman, they feel alive. Purity is life, guys. Impurity is death. Most of us in this world have been programmed to become impure. As I said, the whole game of Illuminati is to impure humanity. So once you are impure, you are as good as dead. So this is what they are ready to pay millions of dollars to be in the presence of women. But why they don't want friendship with women? Why they are after sex? Why these millionaires want access to her virginity? She could be a very good friend too, right? That is the real question that we need to answer, because women's body is purity, guys. She has the easiest access to the universal consciousness, aka she can easily access God compared to men. That is the reason women's body is called temple. It is, men are after her purity. Men want access to her body because women's body itself is the representation of pure consciousness on planet Earth. So women can easily become more pure, more consciousness and in alignment with the universe than men. So that is the game of the Illuminati, to destroy the purity of women. That is why they introduced the concept of democracy, guys. Democracy, freedom, feminism, etc., etc., is to destroy the purity and sanctity of a woman. If you are married, if you have a family, children, you can only protect your family through purity, not through guns and through lawyers and through money, because money cannot know how healthy or how unforeseen disease or any unavoidable natural disaster, etc., could come. But if a woman is pure in a town, that town, the entire world may get destroyed through earthquake, but that town would not be touched because there is a pure woman living in that village. That is how the deal is, guys. If your husband, if your boyfriend has men as bodyguards, this is too late. This is not how you protect through bodyguard. This is a Western satanic concept. You protect your family through your purity. A woman's purity is how a family is protected. This guy would eventually die of some disease, unforeseen circumstances, etc. Even an earthquake, if that bridge can fall down, etc. There are thousands of equations. But as I said, purity is consciousness. When a woman is pure, not even an earthquake or volcano can come and touch their homes. Guaranteed, guys. Forget about thieves and burglars. Nature will respect a woman's purity, is what I am trying to say. So what is the job of a woman in this world? It is this, guys. Pure meditation. This is the only job for women in this world, and we should encourage our women to meditate. Women must be a vegetarian. No other way a woman can purify herself. Women should never eat meat. because our body is the temple. Men are dying to pay millions to get access to that purity and feel alive. The real bliss is when you are fully alive, right? So that is why men are, after having everything in this world, they pay millions for women's virginity, and it was supposed to be an age-old third world medieval concept by Hollywood, but Hollywood actors are willing to pay millions for a woman's virginity. He is actually unconsciously trying to access that purity in her. That is all, guys. The game is all about purity. That's all. The entire Western world, if you are born there, the game is to destroy your purity. That's it. A woman must be kept pure. If you have a daughter, please make sure she is a vegetarian. She does not cook. The role of women is not to cook and be in the kitchen forever. This is how the women in a community should be. Group meditation. This is how you save the environment, guys. The volcanoes will not explode if a woman meditates and becomes pure, because it is panpsychism. Even scientists are saying this from the West. Everything is alive in this world, and women have the easiest access to God. This is the feminist march, etc., and becoming empowered through feminism or through cooking at home. Both are the bad choices. This because many people will say, oh, so you don't want women to be free and alive and not. I am saying both are bad. This is also not good. Women should not spend a minute in kitchen, and women should not go out and protest and do silly things like feminism, because men do not like feminist women for a reason. When men like virgin women, but behind that also it is the game of purity. So this is also not the real job of a woman in this world. The job of women in this world is pure meditation, and the reason I am saying is women are easily able to meditate. Women have a sacrificing body. They can sacrifice easily. They don't have a crave. They can control themselves easily because their body is designed to be that way. If a man and women are meat eating, it will be easy for your women to give up meat for the sake of you than you trying to give up meat for the sake of your family. Because it is not that men are not strong, but it is how the world is designed. That is the real reason the Illuminati is trying to suppress our women and make them impurify and make them lose their virginity, force them to become feminist, and doing all other silly jobs like housewife or a lawyer or a doctor. This is the only job for women in this world, guys. So if you have a community, please make sure that at least some women do meditation. This is the only way you can stop. If you are in America, I'm just giving an example. You can stop Yellowstone volcano or Hawaiian Kilauea volcano. So if you are in Hawaii, just do meditation. I guarantee, like if 10 to 20 women do meditation, the volcano will stop, guys. Even lava will change the direction. I guarantee you, guys, because everything is God. There is no such thing as lava and behind atoms and molecules. It's all about the show of God, guys. God means not the boring one they tell in religious institution, but the alive one. God is the most alive, exciting man, women, or consciousness you will ever meet. The women can easily get that energy in their body. So when they are aligned with the universal pure consciousness, volcanoes will not erupt in your town. So this is the real job of women, not, as I said, becoming a housewife or a feminist. So yeah, guys, just wanted to make a video on the real job of women, because this is very critical to what my channel and what we really need to be, to really empower the women and make sure they remain pure and like an angel to protect us and our planet, etc. Thanks.